Chapter 30 The Divide. Ravana was shaken by Hanuman's assault on Lanka. He convened a meeting with his advisory council. The council consisted of his generals, ministers, and loyal commanders. This attack on Lanka was a consequence of my actions. I have the wife of the exiled Prince of Ayodhya held captive within my palace. The Vanara came to Lanka in search of her. A murmur swept through the chamber. One of the generals stepped forward. What is the purpose of her imprisonment? Is this retribution for Kar, who fell at Ram's hand? My reasons are much more personal, responded Ravana. When I saw Sita, I was overcome by desire. She is the most beautiful woman I have ever beheld. I brought her back to Lanka to make her my chief queen. But she has refused to enter my bed. I have given her an ultimatum of 2 months to succumb to my will. If not, my Rakshasas will serve her to me as my dinner. What need is there for her consent? If you desire this woman, you may ravage her as you wish. This is your right as king, responded Ravana's general. Many of the other generals and advisors heartily supported this view. But a lone voice of nobility spoke out. Brother, the abduction of this woman to sate your desire is adharmic, against righteousness. I implore you to return the princess to her husband. Make peace with the Prince of Ayodhya before further disaster descends upon our kingdom. Vibhishan, the Sattvic brother of Ravana, stood out like a gleaming source of light within Ravana's depraved council. It is not too late, brother. Repent for your actions. Seek forgiveness from Lord Ram. Bring peace to our kingdom. The gathered members of the council burst out in laughter. Some berated Vibhishan for his cowardice, including his own nephew, Indrajit. Ravana too, soaked in his own arrogance, would not heed the words of his noble brother. This was not the first time Vibhishan had tried to convince his brother to follow the path of Dharma. But now, with the disdain of Ravana's most senior council aimed at him, he saw that all hope was lost within Lanka. And the son of sage Vishrava made his most difficult decision.
Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.